I'm going to show you how to create clusters of high quality articles in minutes using AI. These articles will have valuable information, bulleted lists, and tables. You can easily make multiple high quality articles to improve topical authority on your website in just a few clicks. I'll quickly cover the other features of this software, including a really surprising feature. And of course, I'll run the article through the AI content detectors, including the most strict AI detector to see how it performs. Let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to write a free article using Copymate. Copymate's an AI-powered SEO content generator that helps you create high-quality articles. Here's a few of the features: bulk generation of unlimited articles, direct WordPress integration, multiple languages and websites, and it uses advanced GPT-4 technology. So you can just enter in your topic or your keyword and it'll generate a topical cluster for you to support your keyword. So all of these articles would cost 66 tokens to write, and it's suggesting 11 articles for my topic. Some of these did look good, and they were already on my list from my competitive content gap analysis for this site. So I'm gonna go ahead and write these articles. You can also upload a CSV for bulk generation. After reviewing the articles that are gonna be written, you can just click create and it'll write the articles. It takes a few minutes, so let's check out a few other features while those articles are being written. The only other two features on this software are PBN management, which I found really interesting and surprising. People don't really talk about PBNs much anymore, and I would assume that this allows you to sign into the other websites and publish content directly from this software. So that's a really interesting feature. It also has an indexing API, so you can connect it with Google and speed up the indexing of your pages. I haven't tested this, but from my experience, indexing doesn't typically work very well. Now let's check out the articles. So this is a good looking article. I really like how it has a first person story in the beginning, making it feel more human. It also has some good information. It has some bolded words here, and it has good headings for each section. I'm gonna keep scrolling through so you can see the quality. And then I came across this part here where it says, please note that the comparison tables mentioned in the text would typically be separate elements such as actual tables or lists and would be included elsewhere in the document. Since the request was for paragraph content only, the tables are not included in the output. So this is something you would have to be on the lookout for as far as reviewing the articles before publishing them, because it didn't include that table. And then here we have some FAQs. Now let's check out the other article. This article was much more impressive when it came to the quality and the content. So I'm gonna scroll through so you can see this. It also has good sections, good headings. And then here we have a nice table to support the information. So I really like this table. This is some good information to have, and I like how it's presented. It also has a numbered list here, and then we have a couple bulleted lists in this article as well. So I thought this article came out much better than the first one, and I really like the quality of this article. Now let's take the content and run it through the AI content detectors. Scriber says there's 0% chance that this content was written by AI. Content detector says this may have AI, with a 72% chance that this was written by AI. So there's only a few sentences here that have been highlighted as AI. Let's try another one. Content at scale says this reads like AI. Of course, this is the most difficult content detector, but it pretty easily found that this was AI written content. Let's jump into the pros, cons, and my overall opinion of Copymate. Here's the pros. It writes valuable content with tables and bulleted lists and clusters of articles to create topical authority. You can use the bulk generator for a large amount of these high quality articles to fill out a website. It integrates with WordPress to easily publish articles. Here's the cons. Sometimes the articles reference information not included in the article, so the content would need to be reviewed before publishing. There's no way to add images to the article within the software. Overall, Copymate writes high-quality articles with valuable information, tables, and bulleted lists after mapping out topical clusters with the ability to create bulk content to fill out a website. Click the link in the description to write an article for free using Copymate. Check out these other videos for AI software you should be using.